Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to manage permissions for members in Microsoft Teams. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the activity, the community, the chat, and the calendar. Also in the bottom left corner, we have the invite to Teams and the search bar in the very top of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and manage permissions for members in Microsoft Teams. So managing permissions for members in Microsoft Teams ensures that everyone has the right access for their role. First of all, launch the app on your desktop or web browser. Of course, we are on the app at the moment. Click on the Teams icon on the left sidebar and select the team you want to manage. Then, next to the team name, click on the three dots and select Manage Team. After that, go to the Members tab where you'll see all the team members listed. Click on the role dropdown next to each member's name. You can change their role to either owner or member. For owner can manage team settings, add or remove members, and change the team permissions. The member has started access to the team, such as participating in chats and meetings. Once you made the necessary adjustments, then change will be applied automatically. This should help you keep your team organized and ensure everyone has the appropriate level of access. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. Bye guys.